Hi there, students. A rookie. A countable noun. Okay, firstly notice this I think is American, although British people would understand it. It's not a word they normally use. So a rookie is somebody who's new, somebody who's just started doing a job, particularly somebody who's just joined the police force or the army. And very often in these American police dramas, you'll say that you'll hear them say, he's a rookie, he's new. Yeah, a new boy. Yeah, he doesn't want to have to work with a rookie because a rookie is liable to make rookie mistakes. Okay, rookie mistakes are basic mistakes that a person with more experience wouldn't make. But making mistakes is all part of the learning process. Yeah, as you gain experience, you stop making rookie mistakes. So a rookie is somebody who's new at something, a new recruit, particularly in the army or the police. They also use this word rookie in professional sports. And this describes somebody who is playing professionally for their first year. Yeah, because until you reach a certain level, you're not going to be good enough to play or big enough to play in many of these team sports. So a rookie is a player in their first year. A novice. Yeah, somebody who's new. Yeah, so the rookie doesn't have much experience, and they generally tend to make mistakes because they're new to the organization. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, he's an American football player in his rookie year, his rookie season, the first year. I think if you're using this word rookie, you're saying this person's experienced. They don't know what they're doing. Yeah, so it's a novice, it's a newbie, a beginner, a noob. That's very informal. A tyro as well, a novice, a beginner. Okay, so well. Before we gain experience with things, we all started out as rookies. Nobody was born knowing everything. Okay, so yeah, somebody who's green, somebody who's a novice, they're an initiate. Okay, so a rookie, but particularly for the police and for the army and in professional sports. But remember, this is American. Yeah, the Brits will understand it though. Okay, so let's see. This is also informal. Formality, I'm going to give it a 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation, okay, but no more than that. I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, well, there are various ideas put forward. Most of them say that it's alliteration of the word a recruit, yeah, a recruitee, yeah, but it might come from the word a rook, or to rook, a cheat. And then also there's another possibility. It might come from the Dutch word broekie, short for broekvent, a boy who's still in short trousers. So, enough, a rookie. Yeah, we were all rookies once. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rookie.